By the end of this video, you will know how to set up recurring bills in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and go to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon. From that menu, select Recurring Transactions. This opens the area where recurring templates are stored and managed, including templates for bills that repeat on a schedule or need to be reused later. Once you are on the Recurring Transactions page, click New. QuickBooks will ask what type of recurring transaction you want to create. Choose Bill, then click OK to move into the Bill Template Setup screen. At the top of the template, enter a template name. Use a name that makes the recurring bill easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create more than one template. After that, select the type for the recurring bill. Scheduled creates bills automatically based on the timing you set. Reminder does not create the bill for you, but it sends a prompt before the bill is due so you can review and enter it. Unscheduled keeps the template saved without a set schedule, so you can open it and use it manually when needed. After selecting the type, set the recurring schedule, choose the interval to control how often the bill repeats. Then enter the start date, which tells QuickBooks when the recurring pattern should begin. If the bill should stop after a certain point, enter an end date as well. If there is no planned stop date, leave that field only if it is not needed for your setup. Make sure the timing matches the billing cycle you expect before moving on. Next, select the vendor for this bill. This should be the payee connected to the recurring expense. With the vendor in place, enter the bill details. Depending on how you track expenses in your company file, this may include category details or item details. Add the amount and complete any other required fields shown on the bill form. Review these entries carefully because the template will reuse this information each time the recurring bill runs or each time you apply the saved template. If you want to include an internal note or supporting file, add a memo or an attachment. A memo can help identify what the bill is for, and an attachment can keep a related document with the transaction if your workflow requires it. Before saving, review the recurring bill template from top to bottom. Confirm the template name, type, schedule, vendor, and bill details. If everything looks correct, click Save Template. Your recurring bill template is now set up in QuickBooks Online.